Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss on DC network theorems continuation and that Thevenin's theorem. Yeah, actually they have given some numerical maybe like this. In this particular numerical, they pose some question. Try to find out current across 24 ohms with the help of verifying Thevenin's theorem. That's our thing. That it is the only matter. Yeah. In order to have this particular type of numericals, just observe we have to follow 3 steps. What are the 3 steps here? The first and foremost step, in which branch they pose question here, current or voltage flowing across one particular thing, that resistance is maybe called it as load resistance. That's our first step. That resistance is called it as load resistance. And what's our first thing is nothing but remove that load resistance is our first step. Remove load resistance 24 ohms is our first step. What's our second step is nothing but across these 2 points only try to find out voltage. That one is our second circuit. This one is our second one. Same circuit but remove that resistance. In between these 2 points we have to identify voltage. That voltage may be called it as open circuit voltage or else Thevenin's voltage. Yeah. In order to find out voltage across this particular 2 points, same voltage will be there across the parts of this 12 ohms also is same. That thing is nothing but I'd like to find out current in this particular branch. That current into resistance will give us the information of VOC. Yeah, I is equal to V by R. What's the voltage here? 10. R here is when I come across finding the things of open circuit now. That is current doesn't flow across these 2 points. And the circuit may be like this. Observe this thing. Yeah, these 2 resistance will becomes in series. That's why I'd like to make it add here. 2 plus 12 is approximately 14. And we may have some current of 0.7143 amperes. When I know the value of current, that current into that resistance will give us the information of which thing? Open circuit voltage. This one, I into 12, that it is approximately 8.57 is our open circuit voltage or else another name Thevenin's voltage. That's our second step. Yeah. What's our third step is nothing but same circuit. I'd like to draw again once again here. The third circuit is nothing but whenever we'd like to go for the part of Thevenin's resistance calculations wise, remember one thing, there's no resistor, there's no other thing, that it is no other sources will exist in this particular circuit. If you come across any voltage, any current sources means try to make these 2 things to 0 while calculating resistance. Yeah, in order to make voltage 0, I'd like to make short circuit. In order to make current 0, I'd like to make it open circuit. Remember these 2 points. When I'd like to remove this thing voltage by short circuiting, and these 2 resistance will becomes that it is starting point of this resistor, ending point of this resistor. Same. This one starting point here, ending point here. The 2 ending points will meet at a point, 2 starting points will meet at a point. That's why these 2 resistors are connected in parallel. That's the only thing you have to observe. R Thevenin is equal to 2 in parallel with 12. That it is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. It's approximately 1.7143. Observe clearly while calculating voltage, these 2 becomes series. Why means it's an open circuit, there exists one source. While calculating resistance, these 2 becomes parallel. Why means I'd like to make it this one short circuit. Only resistance will exist in this particular circuit in order to find out equivalent resistance or else Thevenin's resistance. Yeah, there I complete the things of 3 steps. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Yeah. When I complete all these things, identify in a sequence, I'd like to draw what equivalent circuit. That one is nothing but Thevenin's equivalent circuit. That it is VTH in series with the part of RTH. These are the 2 black colored lines or the unknowns that I find here. VTH and RTH are connected in series. And then the first resistor I remove one part now, 24. That thing I have to connect again here. All these 3 are connected in series circuit. This circuit is nothing but Thevenin's equivalent circuit. And I would like to find out I. What's the value of I? We all know I equal to V by R. That it is these 2 resistors are connected in series. I equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. I know the value of RTH, and I know the value of RL, and I know the value of VTH. When I know all these values, substitute in this equation, we get the values of current I equal to 0.33 amperes is flowing across this particular 24 ohms. Remember, yeah, these are the steps you have to follow for the part of which theorem? Thevenin's theorem. That's I know the procedure. When I know the procedure, I simply wrote this statement wise. I'd like to write this statement. Yeah. Same procedure what we follow for the part of superposition theorem. In any lab network, yeah, having number of voltage sources, current sources, and resistance. Remember, voltage sources, current sources, yeah, can be replaced with a single equivalent circuit. That it is nothing but Thevenin's equivalent circuit. What's the Thevenin's equivalent circuit here? We all know that one. VTH in series with which thing? RTH and RL. I know the procedure. This one is nothing but Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Yeah, come in a sequence. This one is nothing but statement. In any lab, in the sense linear active bilateral network having so many number of voltage sources, current sources, and resistance can be replaced with a single equivalent circuit. That one is nothing but Thevenin's equivalent circuit. What's the thing? VTH in series with RTH and RL. That's the only matter. This one is our statement. Yeah, I hope you understand this thing. These are the steps you have to follow. Identify the load resistance, remove that part, across these 2 points, try to find out which thing? Open circuit voltage. What's that next step? Try to find out same parameters RTH. While calculating RTH, there is no other elements, that is no other sources in this particular circuit. That one we are existing only the part of resistance, that is equivalent resistance. These are the steps you have to follow, and you have to follow these statements also here. Yeah, thank you.